Hello all, Shoestring here. Today what we're going to do is discuss and actually do proper battery disposal. These are some wet lead acid batteries I have. About 6 of them. Most of these were some of my original batteries, which are too small. I don't use now. I got them in about 2013. So I won't be using them anymore. They're old. But they did a great deal of service and they ran my system, initial system, for a very long time. My 600 watt solar. These guys were the bulk of it and they did a really great job for me. So I'm not going to be turning them in for a core. I'm going to be properly disposing them at the dump. And you folks can come along with me. It's still early in the morning, so I want to get them loaded in the truck so I can get there when it first opens. And we'll walk through the process of getting these properly disposed of. Now remember, these batteries leak, so we don't want to throw them out in the backyard. We don't want to bury them anywhere and contaminate your water or contaminate whatever you might be growing, right? We want to get rid of these in the proper way. So we're going to take them to the county dump, and I'll show you where to put them, what to look for, and how to do it. So if you folks want to come along with me, once we get these loaded into the truck, and I'll show you what's next. Okay, we've got the batteries loaded into the pickup truck, right? There they are. These batteries, I want to point out, I got them all right around 2012, 2013. A few things about batteries, of course. Not only are they wet lead acid, and you need to make sure they're taken care of with water. These all are the same type, and they say have the same capacity to hold storage. It's only 140 reserve capacity, which, as everyone probably aware, is not very much. But it's initial system I was using. These have worked for years. They have been great. So, we're disposing of them. Well, most of them actually still work a little, but they've lost a lot of their get up and go. And I will not be replacing these with other batteries like this. Now, I want to make sure something's clear. When you buy a lead acid battery from most, get you a better picture, from most auto parts stores, when you buy it, it will give you a price, and then it will also say a core charge. If you turn an old battery like this in, they will give you credit for the core charge, which is, depending on where and what battery, between $17 and $25. So if you're going to replace it with a wet lead acid battery, please, please, please turn these in. I'm not going to. I'm simply going to dispose of it. These, because I won't be replacing it. And I want to make sure it's done properly. I don't want to contaminate the groundwater or anything else around here. I want to be environmentally friendly as far as that goes. The one battery that's different than all the rest is right over here. It was not a part of my 600 watt system. It was running some light sets. It is also about to go, so I'm going to get rid of it too. I haven't had it quite as long. What kind is it? It is a Exide? How do you say that? I don't know, but it has not worked out as well as these Autocraft has. Autocraft has done everything I asked them to do and was well worth the price. Their time is just up. Okay, in the truck, we understand about the core, right? So you don't want to spend extra money if you don't have to. Shoestring, no, he doesn't have extra money. And we'll do this again, pick this up again when we get to the county dump. All right, folks, we are here at the dump. You can see it says batteries. And no lithium. That's an important note. You cannot dump off lithium batteries in a place like this. Don't allow it. Get our batteries out and put them in here. Proper disposal. And then we're going to go from there. Hope none of these wasps bite me. All right, we are back in the battery room now that we successfully properly disposed of those other batteries. We still have a few more. So, what did we learn? Let's sum up. We learned that AGM and wet lead acid can be taken to your county or city dump and disposed of if you're not going to be using the cores. If you're going to be buying another battery, do not dispose of these because you'll want to use the core to get that money back. They will not take lithium batteries, such as you see right here. These are Fly Power lithium batteries that I use in my system. They've been working really great, by the way. I like how they have a button and you can just see what the voltage is right there. 14.5 fully charged. And when it's turned on, it has a little, let me get this off, if you can see that, USB for charging up cell phones and tablets and other things right there on the battery itself. I find that really nice. I like that. Anyway, so lithium. The problem is if you need to dispose of lithium. Now these that I have a 5-year warranty and none of them have gone bad. I haven't even really have them over a year yet. So it's no problem with these. If they died during the warranty, I just turn them back into the company. But what would I do? What would I do if I had one die and I couldn't turn it back in? I have researched it some and I do not know how to dispose of these. So if any of you folks have any ideas, work in the industry, just generally know how to properly and legally dispose of lithium batteries, you guys let me know. Okay, so that's how you get rid of these batteries when you need to. Wet lead acid and AGMs. If you have any questions or if you know the answers to anything we've talked about today, please put it down in the comments. I really do like that. And don't forget to subscribe, like, click the little bell if you want notifications. And if you think anyone else will like these videos, please share them. Shoestring out.